In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best Kitchenaid Electric Hand Mixer in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which Kitchenaid Electric Hand Mixer is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Braun Electric Hand Mixer, 9-speed. 50% even more power. 350 watts of power defeats the ingredients and also the competitors. The power level and also mixing initiative, blending cake batter, external tests, compared to leading competitors. Half the mixing effort. Smart Mix technology supplies an inline vertical electric motor design that moves the weight of the mixer out of your hand as well as right into the bowl. Mixing effort, mixing cake batter, outside examinations, contrasted to leading competitors. Quick cleanup. Simple tidy design has actually an entirely secured system, so absolutely nothing gets in the housing, and dishwasher safe components. Clean simple. One-handed Vario control. A simple turn of the Vario control speed dial is all it requires to adjust the speed while you blend, and also the touch of a button allows you to switch over in between accessories. Add-ons for each task. Multi-whisk, both whisk as well as a beater in one, produces quantity for light, ventilated blends. The sturdy dough hooks are perfect for homemade bread and also pizza. Comfy control and ergonomic, super soft grip maintains you easily in control. Here is the item number 4, SHARDOR Hand Mixer Powerful 300W. Powerful hand mixer. SHARDOR hand mixer with a heavy-duty motor is a lot more power than a basic motor. So each rate can run faster than the previous item. 5-speed and turbo feature. Several speed electrical hand mixer will certainly meet every one of your blending needs. Turbo feature. Quicken for every gear, beginning at a slow speed and slowly functioning your way up, efficiently reducing splash. Versatile safe attachments. Electric hand mixer consists of 4 add-ons, 2 dough hooks, 2 beaters, perfect for cooking or cooking. SHARDOR assists you produce a healthy kitchen. Practical storage base. A lot of the accessories keep nicely in a plastic storage base, so you won't shed them to the midst of a drawer. It benefits making bread cakes, flour, cookies, light whipping cream, and also every little thing in between. What you get: 2x beaters, 2x dough hooks, a storage space base. If you experience any issues with the SHARDOR hand mixer, we will respond to you in 24 hours. The item number 3, Kitchenaid KHMB 732BM Cordless. Make up to 200 cookies on a full fee. Based upon 4 batches of delicious chocolate chip cookies. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides optimal runtime as well as efficiency. Battery indicator light signals when it is time to charge the battery. Easy to charge with practical battery charger consisted of, which works with all products throughout the suite. Fee from vacant to complete in 2 hours or less. With a fast charge of 10 minutes, stir up a cake batter recipe. When complying with recommended battery upkeep. Designed to stand all by itself, lifting the beaters up as well as out of the dish and also job area. Total your cordless collection with the cordless 5-mug food chopper, KFCB 529, and variable rate hand blender, KHBBV 53. Each sold independently. Number 2 in our list, Kitchenaid Ultra Power Hand Mixer. 5 speeds. Mix active ingredients for a selection of dishes, from gradually mixing in beefy active ingredients, like nuts or delicious chocolate chips, at speed 1 to whipping egg whites or whipping cream at speed 5. Lock the cable right into either the left or appropriate side of the mixer, so you can approach active ingredients from any angle. The round cord is easy to wipe tidy. Quickly and also rapidly get rid of any type of device from the hand mixer with the single-handed press of a switch. The stainless steel turbo beater. 2 accessories are perfect for mixing heavy components, dishwasher secure. 1-year convenient substitute service warranty. The top one in our list, LILPARTNER Ultra Power Kitchen Mixer. 5-speed setting as well as turbo button, meet all your mixing requirements. Use 3-dimensional blowing to enhance mixing effectiveness and also minimize blowing time. Just touch a button to readjust 5-speed. 304 multifunctional add-ons, 1 asterisk whisk, 2 asterisk beaters, 2 asterisk dough hooks, and 1 asterisk storage space box. 2021. The recently updated all-pure copper motor has an ultra-high power of 400 W, which efficiently improves the mixing rate, fixes numerous issues for your kitchen area, such as whipping cream, blending eggs, beating the dough for biscuits, cakes, pizzas, etc. 1-button pop-up and vertical style. Operational design suitable for beginners as well as satisfies all functional requirements of expert bakers. Comfortable usage and easy to clean. The round handle can bring comfort to your procedure. The fuselage can be multi-directional chilly and hot air convection heat, rapidly getting rid of warmth for long life. The body is made from inflexible products and also is immune to wear. The best form design is easy to clean, which will substantially save cleaning time. High-degree client service. Expert Electric Hand Mixer is the most effective selection for gift offering. 3-month money-back guarantee, 1-year totally free service warranty, as well as lifetime customer care. Note: if there is any part of the damaged attachment, please contact us to secure a free substitute. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best Kitchenaid electric hand mixer amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.